This is M News with Marley Ning. Good morning. Waitangi Day celebrations are underway this morning in Wellington. Let's go live now to Lulu Taki, who joins me here in Wellington. Good morning, Lulu. Good morning, Lulu Taki. Waitangi Day celebrations are underway this morning, so what do we know? Okay, Lulu Taki, thank you. Let's bring in Kelly, who joins me live from Auckland. Hi, Kelly. Many celebrations are getting underway there, Kelly, so what do we know? Okay, Kelly Southern Pandinian, thank you very much. That's Kelly Southern Pandinian live in Auckland for us. A 21-year-old man has been arrested after reports of a firearm being shot near an Auckland early learning centre yesterday at about 11 a.m. Let's bring in Oliver live now in Manurewa. Hi, Oliver. What do we know this morning? What happened here? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. Waitangi Day, let's go live now to Waitangi, where political reporter Luca, Beattie and Harper Scott join us this morning. Good morning, Luca and Harper. Waitangi Day celebrations are getting underway there, so what's happening there now? What's happening there now, Luca and Harper? And Harper and Luca, Winston Peters was booed and told to e noho, which means sit down in Māori. So why was he told to do that? So why was he told to do that? Okay, Luca and Harper and Waitangi, why was Peter Winston booed? Why was Winston Peters booed, Luca and Harper? Okay, Luca and Harper, Luca Beachy, Harper Scott live from Waitangi, thank you. And breaking news, happy birthday to Niall for Thursday. Let's bring him on the show now. Good morning, Niall. It's your birthday on Thursday. Woo! So, cause for a celebration this morning. Oh, shut up, Siren. That wasn't directed towards you, now that was directed towards the Siren. Okay, Niall, thank you. Cyclone Gabrielle, year mark from yesterday. Let's bring in Juliet, who joins me in one of the hardest hit areas. Good morning, Juliet. What can you tell us a year ago from yesterday Cyclone Gabrielle hit? So, a year ago from yesterday, Juliet. So, what do we know? Weather's coming up at 4. Okay, Juliet Jacates, thank you. A COVID outbreak has forced the closure of Rangiora High School, and staff are expected to stay away until tomorrow. Let's go live to Harper. Hi, Harper. What can you tell us? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. In breaking news, a man has appeared in court for the murder of that man in Dunedin and has been charged with murder. Let's bring in Imogen Brown, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Imogen. What can you tell us? Okay, Imogen, thank you. Waitangi Day temperatures are expected to recede up to 30 degrees, and in Christchurch, today it is a top of 33 degrees, and in Blenheim a top of 34. So yeah, let's bring in Imogen, who joins me at Metvis. Good morning, Imogen. How hot is it? How hot is it going to get? Okay, Imogen, thank you. Police have made some significant information into the after a woman was found dead in her home. That was 79-year-old Helen Gregory, who was aged 79. Pardon me. Let's go to Oliver Fox, who joins me. Hi, Oliver. What can you tell us? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. The Riley rollout is yet again under fire after the pace of the rollout. Let's bring in Harper, who joins me at a vaccine centre in Riley 1 and Riley 2. Hi, Harper. What can you tell us? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Rileys are in charge of opening up their own states. Let's go live now to Riley 1 correspondent Lulu Tucky, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Lulu. What can you tell us? Lulu, what can you tell us? Weather's coming up at 14:07 this morning. So weather's coming up at 14:07. So Lulu, why are the vaccine rollouts yet again under fire? So, Lulu, what do we know this morning? So, Lulu, what can you tell us this morning? Okay, Lulu, Taki, thank you. Riley Airport Hotel is up for grab for $5 million. Let's bring in Harper, who joins me at their Riley Hotel Airport. Hi, Harper. How much is this up for? Harper, how much is the airport up for? The airport hotel, Harper? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Let's bring in Emma Smith, who joins me live this morning from a windy Wellington. Hi, Emma. As you can see behind me, the trees are moving. How are Waitangi Day celebrations getting underway in Wellington this morning? Emma, how are Waitangi Day celebrations getting underway this morning? Okay, Emma, thank you. Let's go live now to Rafi King, who joins me live from Auckland. Hi, Rafi. How are Auckland Waitangi Day celebrations getting underway? Getting underway this morning, Rafi King? Okay, Rafi King, thank you. It is going to be a hot one in Christchurch with a top of 33 today. We'll be talking about that later in the weather. The criminals are now zombies, and I am not going to name them. They know who they are. They know who they are. They are criminals this morning. The zombies are now criminals. Let's bring in all the criminals now on this morning. Hi, criminals. Why are you guys zombies? Okay, criminals. Thank you. Criminals are yet again in another COVID lockdown. Let's go live now to all the criminals except Noel and Jen, because it's Noel's birthday on Thursday. He's not a criminal. So let's go live now to except Noel and Jen. Hi, all you criminals. Why are you in another COVID lockdown? Okay, criminals, thank you. In breaking news, there are fears of Juliet's birthday being cancelled this morning after another COVID alert for Juliet. Anyone around Juliet between January 1 and January 31st are now close contact. Well, don't have to go into isolation, but now just have to test yourself this morning. Now, Arianna Imogen Juliet's secret spot. There is a secret spot for all those three cheat trades this morning, and I tried to follow them, but it didn't work. Let's go live now to Imogen Brown, Juliet, and Arianna. Hi, all you guys. Why is there a secret spot that you wouldn't tell me about? Okay, TAs, thank you. No phone ban, no policy at Wellington High School. Let's go live now to Oliver Fox, who joins me this morning. Good morning, Oliver. Why is there a no policy about a phone ban at Wellington High School? Okay, Oliver Fox, thank you. Hannah is gonna love what I say this morning, and Hannah, I'm gonna give you a nice surprise, and my favorite subject is classics! Whoa! Love classics. It is my favorite subject. Donald Trump is expected to face court on March 4, 2024. Let's go live now to US correspondent Minbert and Charlotte King in Tampa Bay, Florida for us this morning. Good morning, Charlotte and Min. Why is Donald Trump expected to face court this morning? Weather's coming up at 14:07. So, Minbert and Charlotte King, why is Donald Trump expected to face court? We'll have Minbert and Charlotte King until 14 o'clock on the recording this morning, and weather's coming up very, very soon. So, Minbert and Charlotte King, what do we know? And why is Donald Trump expected to face court? And what has he done wrong this morning? Okay, Minbert and Charlotte King, thank you. A new bus route has started on January 28. Let's bring in Harper now. Hi, Harper, what can you tell us? Okay, Harper Scott, thank you. Weather's coming up at 13:50. Taking a look at the weather around the country now. A ridge of high pressure lows over the majority of the country, while a stationary front affects the far south tomorrow. This front weakens as it moves away up the South Island on Thursday, then the ridge remains through Friday. Around the capitals today, sunny in Auckland, heading for a top of 26. Hamilton, sunny, a top of 28. Tauranga, 26, cloud clearing. Napier fine, a top of 28. Hastings, fine, and a top of 30 degrees today. Wellington, partly cloudy, a top of 22. Christchurch, mostly sunny, a top of 33 today, very hot. And Dunedin, mostly sunny, and a top of 26 degrees. And that is M's early news for this Tuesday, the 6th of February, 2024.